Hey y'all, one more quick video review. This is a Wilton Cake Slider. I really want one of those Cuisinarts food scoopers for the griddle, but this was like $2 or $3 from the Everything's a Dollar store, which proves that not everything's a dollar. Maybe it's 99¢ only. I don't know. 99 enough? Who knows what it was? It was some store. I don't know. I just go where I'm told and take out my wallet when I'm told. No. But as you can see, for like $2 or $3, this does the job of the fancy schmancy $20, $25 griddle scoop. May not have the fancy sides, but you saw how quick and easy I got my food. And look at that. Ooh. So yeah, heartily recommend if you find one of those at your dollar store. So thanks for watching again, and y'all have a great day. Bye.